This is Chris from ModeMunch, and welcome to Fast Food Fight. This show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like the retail products, all whilst reducing the cost. Imagine deliciously juicy morsels of fried heaven, all wrapped up in a special bucket, all for just $10. Little buccaroonies. $10 popcorn chicken is where it's at. This offer not available everywhere, and not forever. Still, a bucket of chook chunks for $10 is a bucket of bargain crunchy nuggets. Well, chicken. Speaking of buccaneers, seamen sandwiches making your favourite salty seafood subs, gargle that tartar sauce and try not to gag on the flaky fish juice. Cut up a chook tip, 300 grams to be precise, chuck it in a bowl. Then you want to boil it in water for about 10 minutes. Add the juice of 1 lime, 2 tablespoons of onion salt, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, flour, celery salt, table salt, thyme, mustard powder, basil, paprika, oregano, white pepper, black pepper, ginger, celery salt. Chuck the chook in the top, whack the top on and give it a good shake. Next I use the wok with brown oil to shallow fry at 180 degrees centigrade. Cook in batches, do not overcrowd the pan. Put some green stuff on your plate to make it look slightly healthy and serve with your favourite sauces. I got sweetie chili and barbecue. Came in at $6.90. Bucket of mung for the god. This has been Chris from ModeMunch, and I'll see you next Tuesday.